Hello everyone, this is Mahir with Trudor here to present to you 32 Bowie Place in Irvine. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There is an extra bonus room which could be used as a den or an office or things like that. It does come in at about 2,000 square feet. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what we are working with. Alright, so as you enter the property, you are welcomed with the kind of living room area, stairway, and fireplace. And then quickly off to the right, you do have the half bath. This is the only bathroom downstairs. Good size half bath. There's tiled flooring, and then it does have a nice cream coat of paint. And then here is the bonus room, I guess you can call it. Could be used as an office, a den. There is no closet in here, so it wouldn't be considered a bedroom, but you still could use it as a bedroom if you'd like. But it is a great size. Does have French doors. If I back up, you can see French doors there. So you can open it up and create a nice little space here. And then continuing on through the living room area, here is a good look. It's a very good sized living room. Does have nice wood flooring. And again, a fireplace. I'll show you that right now. Nice clean marble around it. So it is a nice little feature of the house. And then it does have plantation shutters throughout most of the home. And then you do have the kitchen straight ahead. Nice white cabinetry, again matching countertops as the fireplace to bring it all together. If you have, let's see, sorry about that. And then, so you do have the stove, the oven, the microwave here. Lots of cabinetry, so there's great storage inside the kitchen. Actually, that door right there is actually a pretty good sized pantry as well. And then you do have your refrigerator. I don't know if I mentioned the dishwasher, but there's the dishwasher as well. And then through this door here is the garage. Pretty good sized garage if you were interested to see what it looks like. There is the garage, access to the backyard as well. So again, nice 2-car garage here. Then I'll continue up to the second floor. This is just like a little nook if you were curious. So little nook to store some maybe electronics or cable devices, whatever it may be. Some extra storage. And then as we go upstairs, this is where all the bedrooms will be and the 2 full bathrooms. So first off, I'll take you into the master. Here is the master bedroom. Really good sized master bedroom, lots of space. Again, the wood flooring goes throughout the entire home. And a nice feature about this one, it does have 2 walk-in closets. So here would be the first walk-in closet. I guess you can give it a his and a hers. And then the second one would be located inside the master bathroom, excuse me. So here is the master bathroom. Do have a standing shower, glass shower, and a soaking tub. Tiled flooring inside the bathrooms, nice countertops and a dual vanity, nice large mirror. And then here would be your bathroom. And then here, which is the second walk-in closet, I would assume this would go to the wife, the her. But again, really, really good sized master closets for his and hers, so lots of space. So we don't have to fight over who gets what. And then continuing on, here is the next full bathroom. Nice shower tub combo, same countertops as the master, and then again tiled floorings. And then this would be here, right next to it would be the second bedroom. Bedrooms are a really good size here. And this one also does have somewhat of a walk-in closet as well. So another good sized closet. So the rooms in this home do have lots of space for storage. So that's a nice little feature. And then let's see if I can give you a better view. So this is from the corner of the room. And then I'll take you over to the laundry room as well. Here is the laundry room. Nice cabinetry here for storing, soaps, detergents, things like that, any extra linens and things that you may need. So lots of easy access and storage. And then here would be the final bedroom. So again, a very, very good sized bedroom. Lots of space. And then this one has probably the smallest of all the closets, but again, it's still a very, very good sized closet. So this one doesn't have much built-ins in it, but it is a great size. Okay, so that is going to be, oh, actually, you know what? Before I finish, I should take you out to the backyard really quickly, just so you can see what's in the back. There is a covered patio. It does have a ceiling fan as well. So here is actually the backyard. As you can tell, there's the ceiling fan. So if you want to come out on a nice day. And then there's actually artificial turf in the front and the back, so you don't need to worry about watering anything. It just stays lush and green 24/7, 365. Okay. So as I was saying, again, this is 32 Bowie Place in Irvine. If you are interested, please visit our website, www.truedoorpm.com, to submit an application. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.